Welcome back to the vlog channel, guys. Meet the new member. Cut. Welcome back to the vlog, guys. Meet the new member of the family. Say hi to the vlog. So I remember yesterday, guys, I told you that I was gonna get a dog. So I just got Cappuccino. Cappuccino is a full-bred Rottweiler. Today I took him to. Bro, you sleeping? Wake up, man. I took him to the vet, JSPCA, got him his first shots and stuff. Then I just went shopping for him, got him a new dog tag, you know, crazy stuff like that. I'm sorry that the vlog got ended yesterday like that because I had stuff to do pretty much. But just to give you guys a full recap on what happened was we went shopping, got some stuff, bought the igloo for the party, picked up tickets for the event that we needed to get to. Of course, picked up my son here. Wake up! Picked him up last night, maybe like about 9 o'clock. Came back in and I was like mad tired, so I didn't even end the vlog. But there's gonna be a new vlog today and we're gonna be going on a journey, so I'm gonna get my stuff ready, get a haircut, and yeah, whenever you see us, you see us. Alright, guys.
When you're on a holiday, you can't find the words to say all the things that come to you, and I wanna feel it too. On an island in the sun.
Alright, guys, welcome back for day again. Just reached at the gas station, so I go get something to eat and then wait for a friend to come link me and get some money at the ATM as well. Jump in the supermarket real quick and get something like this, like an Irish mash. Oh god, a peanut. Oh my gosh, what's some mustard, fish and butter? I don't know. Tell me now. About peanut, no about peanut. Normal Irish mash. No, peanut Irish mash. About the peanut Irish mash. Alright, guys, so right now we're at Portmore. Stop by a gas station an hour ago. Yo, it's pretty late. Yo, screen kind of fog up. Yeah, it's pretty late. It's pretty late out now. It's probably like 7 o'clock or so. Even know the time. Just get some fuel a while ago. Gas dashes for my car. Waste the gas, but whatever. I'm going to get some for me. You don't know me. I get my special drink to Malta. Represent to Malta all the time. Yeah, see Malta from? Road through my Malta, girl. The screen kind of fog up because of the AC and then the heat outside. I think I joke my tell you Malta for check in all the time, you see me? They're not Ochi right now. One of my favorite places that I don't know. So we just finally got to where it's gonna be a possible future home for the next maybe 2 days. Yo, the screen is being fogged up. Yo, I gotta wait till this get warmer or something. Alright guys, so we pretty much just got to the top. We're on the 3rd floor. And we in here, it's pretty alright. 3rd floor, so we high up. We're like hella high up. I think the girls are going to go do something. I see them down there. They're going to the ATM or something like that. So we got a TV, we got a rug, you know what I'm saying? My toes, oh look at my toes, nigga. Yeah, feels good. Donald. Let's pack up the fridge and stuff. This is our room right here. Boom, pretty simple. We need to put that closet part on, but whatever. It's a shared bathroom, basic, you know. And this is Donald's and Davine's room. So they got the finished, what you call it. And they got a little view here, which is pretty cool. Again, happy birthday to you, Davine, when it comes on Tuesday coming. Alright guys, so I'm gonna pretty much help Donald unpack the box. Guys, Look at my little Maltas. Looking all cute and shit. Oh, damn. I'm gonna show you some of the snacks. I picked this out, guys. I know your boy got it. I picked this out. And everything else they picked out because I'm not a picky eater. You me? Food or food. That I believe in. A yam, dasheen, banana, anything. So we got some chips.
Anything.
I know you're about to say something, man. But your boy know himself, you know what I'm saying? I know myself, so no big deal. For him, he gotta contemplate.
Really?
You know what's funny, guys? It feels like I need to get myself an apron and give one to Donna as well. Because we're the ones here packing out the groceries and the girls are gone in the road. So somebody brought a single bouillon cube. I'm gonna bet Davine. Me just feast out of it. A single little onion, a jar of coffee salt, and this is how much you got. Ramen, and that's a thing. What is this? A little bit of broad beans or butter beans. This feels like, what the hell is this? Guys, do not use things like this without labels, man.
Oh, this is like cheese, yeah.
Oh, it's cheese. You see that, guys? Do you see it? C-H-E-E-S-E. It's right there. Green pepper, of course. And some wannabe Idaho potatoes. And what else? Oh, big up yourself, Maggie. You got some Maggie. And somebody brought, bruh.
Use mackerel?
No, it's oil. It's oil.
Oh, shit.
Yo, this selling a ghetto shop, you know. Okay. This selling at a ghetto shop, you know. You need to say people who can't afford like a full thing of oil. So this is really convenient. Yeah. Yeah, guys, I'm just sitting down here watching some TV right now. Some show looking like Ghostbusters or something. I know it's enough fast and I don't want to look at it.
Polar bears, cat bears,
No, online, don't Google it. Google that shit, yeah.
400.
I look really not like that, sir, but them I play the music loud, so I gotta make a drink, just have to just watch. You're not gonna hear nothing because the music loud.
We're gonna be tonight.
Feel me love when you hold this attack. Do anything when you please. Love when the freedom come out at night.
What are those?
Of SpongeBob, we can think about playing the game. No! No, but I said it here! I said it through! Say me for lucky, sir! What? I just 2 episodes down.
I might try to get rid of the phones before a festival of clothes.
So much pretty.
Just tomorrow.
Go! The show!
So we're gonna start playing heads up.
What I want to say, yes. What I want to say, okay, alright. Yes, but a male single person living it on their own. What do you call that? Male, the party show when you're getting married as a man. What are you to condo, next one, condo, bachelor.
doing the couples version. We got 7.
The thing I told you to get last Sunday, you have to do it with your thing on your head. With the barber, y'all go use this round. What the barber do?
Let me stop this video, guys.
It's a game.
Tennis?
No. The barber.
Rich people do it.
No,
Not even rich people don't fast.
No, do that.
Laughing.
Oh, it's a cookie and eat the milk.
Oreo.
And the activity you're doing?
Eating. So.
Yeah.
Eating Oreo. Sweeping the floor.
Oh shit.
Damn. Tripped in the what?
It's someone in there. Boing, boing.
Shit, I know it. Wait, I'm not gonna get it. Skip. I'm not gonna get it. Belt. Belting.
Shut up, babe.
What do you call it? Nightmare. Handshake. How about you go over the handshake?
Damn.
The wall is here. The bed is here.
About to what I drink.
You know what she's here?
Gotta last the bottle.
We're using there from that. In the middle? Yeah. And I can so scheme.
I'm not playing. Okay.
Make your play.
We're gonna play already.
It's not up to us. We're not gonna make you guys fair wheel. Right?
Guys, that really did happen.
Discussion of guys. Okay.
Anyway, guys, I accidentally deleted the scene, but Jana went freaking streaking, you know what I'm saying? It was awesome, and it's about to get really lit right now, so remember these 3 things.
It's been lit, honey.
Love, nature, adaptation. I'm going to bed. Bye.
All I am is a man. I want the world in my hands. I hate the beach, but I stand in California with my toes in the sand.